Why is it important to have a welding skid as a mobile welder? I have a few reasons why I feel it's important. One reason, you can be able to tow it on any vehicle, any truck. You can, if something happened to yours, you can take it off and put your whole unit on another truck. Second, you can be able to be completely mobile. You can be able to get it took off with a crane, get it took off with a forklift, get it took off with rollers, whatever that you have, or whatever type of system that you want to set it up. But you can be able to be completely mobile on the job site and things of that nature. So you got to look at it that way. And also, another big key, you can transport it through FedEx, UPS. So if you have a nice size one, like a 4x4 or 4x6 or whatever, a lot of companies would transfer them for you. So you can get your unit set up, get everything done. You have your toolbox shipped with it, and they can actually ship it to different locations for you. Wherever you're doing a job at, and once you get there, you can be mobile to get it around to do the job needed, get it took back to the area. They'll come pick it up and ship it back to where you need to do, where you need to go. So it's a great benefit. So I would think that having one can change the game for you, especially being independent, because it allows you to be more independent. It allows you to be able to travel without worrying about your devices, your tools, your equipment. You can be able to have them stored in nice storage areas. You can be able to have them locked up in places where you don't have to worry about, oh man, somebody gonna get my stuff, or my stuff gonna come up missing. You have everything tied down to your skid, bolted down. That way, you know, you ain't got to worry about nobody jacking anything. So it's easy to transport, and it's easy to keep safe, and it helps you be more independent to be able to get a bag no matter where you at or where you want to go. So that's why I built this one, and this is actually my prototype. And now I'm about to start making them out of 3x3 angle and 3x3 tube. So stay in tune. Hold on.